We'll guide you through how to split video using FFmpeg. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this specific tutorial today, make absolutely sure FFmpeg is properly installed and successfully added to your system environment variables. Safely open your File Explorer, create a completely new folder, and place the long video you want to split directly inside it. Accurately right-click the video file, select Rename, and safely change it to input.mp4. Click on the directory path in the address bar at the top of the File Explorer window. Type CMD and firmly press Enter to immediately launch the command prompt in this exact folder location. Type the beginning of our command, ffmpeg-i space input.mp4, and add a space. Type -c space copy to ensure we perfectly maintain original video quality and process the split very quickly without re-encoding. Add a space, then type -map space 0. This command safely ensures that all video and audio tracks from the original media file are carried over. Next, type -segment_time space 00:00:05. For this instructional example, this tells FFmpeg to split the video into multiple equal chunks of exactly 5 seconds each. Add a space and type -f space segment. This explicitly activates the segment formatting tool. Finally, add a space and type part%03d.mp4 as the final output name. The %03d is a special trick that automatically numbers your output files perfectly sequentially, like part001.mp4, part002.mp4, and part003.mp4. Your complete prepared command should exactly look like this. ffmpeg-i space input.mp4 space -c space copy space -map space 0 space -segment_time space 00:00:05 space -f space segment space part%03d and mp4. Press Enter on your keyboard to run the active video splitter. The terminal will incredibly quickly slice your video based on the time you provided. Once the typing prompt appears again, it means all the segments have been generated successfully. Safely close the command prompt, check your File Explorer, and you will see your long video neatly divided into multiple numbered parts.